If you guys are ready, let's stick together and let's go do the panoramic walk. This is the best view you can get of Manarola. This is a UNESCO site. The population of Manarola is 400, but that's exaggerated. There are 357 inhabitants. Most of the terraces here, 70% of the terraces are vineyards. Manarola is the first place where they try to settle, but the seas were insecure. Pirates were coming to attack very often. So until the year 1000 more or less, until Genova secured the seas, they were doing up and forth. But then Genova secured the seas. Right now the oldest village on paper is Monte Rosso, but there's rumors that actually this is the oldest village. This is where the hike starts. This is where we're going, Vernazza. No matter what you do, you end up in Vernazza, in the only street they have. And if you take a right, you have the train station. If you take a left, you have the harbor. I'd recommend you to go spend time in the harbor. That's the most picturesque part of it. That's where all the shops are. Also, that's where the best gelato is. I'm gonna tell you a couple of things about the extra virgin olive oil. Before I start talking about the Italian oil, I'm gonna tell you that Spain is #1 producer in the world, but Italy is #1 in quality. We can see both of the villages, Corniglia and Manarola down there to the left.